Hello guys, welcome to Python Arduino lesson number 2. Hope you go through my last video. In that video we discuss how to do basic setting on Python to communicate with Arduino. And I promise you to show how to light up a LED using Python commands. And I am very sorry for my last video's audio problem. I had the little microphone problem. Hoping it's not gonna problem anymore. So guys, let's roll and don't forget to subscribe. Before we start to coding on Python, we need something, a Arduino sketch writer. I know I told you no more sketch uploading anymore, but there is one sketch to upload. After that, we are all set. So guys, let's download Arduino sketch writer. Follow my lead. After Arduino sketchwriter installation, we're gonna upload standard Fermata sketch to our Arduino board. You can find that code in Files, Examples, then go to Fermata, then go to Standard Fermata, then click it. Guys, don't change anything on your standard Fermata code, just upload it to your Arduino board. It will take several seconds or minutes, it's just depending on your computer performance. So this is how you gonna observe your Arduino board when code is uploaded into Arduino board. This is a simple circuit I designed for LED light up. So this is the circuit. You can see there's a LED and resistance and jumper wires using the breadboard. As you can see, I connect LED's positive side to pin 13 on Arduino board and negative side to ground pin via 1K resistor. All you have to do is just build this on your breadboard. Lighting up LED is very basic program to do in Arduino. It's like print hello world in program language when you start to learn it. So guys, let's light up this LED using Python IDE. You can type this with me. I provide this code in my descriptions. First thing we do in here, importing Fiverr Meta package. We installed it last video. Then we have to do is introducing Arduino board to Python. To do that, we import the pin number, then port number and Arduino board. Then I'm gonna start function name LED with two variables, LED and message. Inside that function, I'm gonna write up a board dot digital, then pin, as I mentioned above in pin 13, then dot write, then the variable name LED. Then I'm gonna write another command below that, print msg, which means that the message variable in function. The main advantage with this function is we can call it in anywhere without writing this code again and again. After that, we're gonna call the above function by typing LED, then open bracket, and we type the LED state, which is here is 1, because LED on off state is 1 or 0. To light up LED we use state 1, then second parameter we use string name LED on. After light up LED, we should terminate the connection between Arduino board and Python ideally. So we're gonna enter the exit command at last. Finally, I am gonna save my Python IDLE project in my computer. Then I'm gonna run it. And there is some error in here. If you can see little bit carefully, you can see the error says my COM port, Python didn't recognize my COM port. So I'm gonna change my COM port. Then I am gonna run it by pressing F5. You can see LED on messages appear, and also the LED is light up. If you follow the tool menu, then port in Arduino sketch writer, you can find which port you use for your Arduino board. So I'm gonna delay the command executing in 5 seconds by using sleep function, because it's gonna take few seconds to build the connection between Python IDLE and Arduino board. Any command executing during that time does not give any output. To work sleep function, we should import the time module at first. Then I am gonna light up LED using same parameters as before. You can see the LED on message appears here. After that, I'm gonna change LED functions parameters to 0 and LED off. Then I'm gonna run the program again. As you can see, the LED didn't light up. So guys, I think you can understand 1 and 0 work as on and off in here. To LED on and off, we had to run separate programs from beginning. This is not the actual programs work with hardware. Let's program something little more advanced, guys. Let's design a program asking input number 1 for LED on, then ask number 0 for LED off, and for any other input program gonna exit. I am using while loop in here. It's gonna loop the program until we give the exit command. Inside the while loop, I am getting input from user by using input function. That input is stored as a string. String type data is hard to work with, so I'm gonna convert that string to integer using int function. Then I am using if statements to execute decision commands. As you can see, when input data is equal to 0, define LED function receiving 0 and LED of parameters. When input data is equal to 1, define LED function receiving 1 and LED on parameters. If input data equal to any other value, loop gonna execute by exit function. Then program will be closed. So guys, I'm gonna run the program. It takes several seconds to make the connection. So I'm gonna enter 1 and hit enter. You can see LED is turned on. Then I'm gonna enter 0. You can see LED is turned off. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this Python Arduino lesson number 2. In next lesson, I will bring you how to program graphical user interface for light up LED. So guys, see you in next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe.